Okay guys, we're back. Let's try to get this thing put back together. And I'll tell you what, it's not easy. Nothing is. Okay, first of all, I made this tool out of a wiper insert. And we're going to use this to put the top pins in with. And hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Starting at the very first one, and I'm going to take a top pin here, put it there, push down on it, and then you have to use, oops, yeah, told you it's not easy. Okay, so I'm going to put it right here, and you have to use both. You've got to be ambidextrous. That there, push down on it and push with your right middle finger or whatever finger will work. There, we got the first one in. And this is the easy part. Okay, second one, push, got that one in. Okay. 3. I'm going to start using my thumb. Use your toes if you have to. Okay. Number 4. And number 5. Okay. So we got those in. You can see in there. I don't know how to do this. I'm not a very good photographer, I guess. Now, we have to take this tool I made out of a paper clip, and we're going to have to run this. First of all, I'm going to get a piece of tape ready. I'm going to have to tape down that crazy paper clip. Just like that. Put that there till I'm ready for it. Now, take this and run it next to this other little tool I made. Right alongside of it. And hopefully my tape just rolled up. Now we've got to replace the wiper insert tool with the paper clip tool and go over the top of it right there. Push this over, and we're going to take this one out. Hopes that this one doesn't move, and I believe I got it in the right spot. We're going to take this. I knew that was going to happen. Put it over here like this. Still over the pins. Okay. Oh, almost dropped it. Could be a real disaster. And we're going to go around it like that. And hopes that it stays and doesn't move. I'm going to put a little piece right on the front. I don't know how they did that back in the day. They must have had some tool. Wow. Now, hopefully move. What a nightmare. Okay, now we have to get the spring, put it in the shackle hole, and the shackle right there. And we gotta get that other ball bearing in there. Put a little goop on it. Hopefully it'll stay in its hole. Now, you can see that little cut out there. That's where it's gotta go. And right here is where the other pin follows in, down in there. So, trying to remember what I'm doing. Hello? So we gotta go sideways like this, where that pin will go in there. Then we're going to have to turn the cylinder. This is a mess, ain't it? Okay, let me see if I can get this tape off of here. Believe me, you gotta be careful. You don't, when you pull this clip out, you gotta be careful. You don't pull the cylinder out with it. Trying to keep that going there. Okay, got that out. And now we gotta turn it to the right position. Here we go. Oh my God. If you guys give this a whirl one day, you'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, let's double check. Make sure everything's working correctly. This is the regular key. It's working good. You have to push the shackle in and turn the key for it to hold. And it is key retaining, so. Anyways, guys. Wow. The ALMONT REKEY. I sure would love to know what the tool looked like that they used back in those days. Anybody knows anything about that, let me know. I'd be really interested. Anyways, thank you for joining me for part 2. And I'm glad I could get it done. Come back and see me real soon. Bye-bye.